What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you can hear me all right. Today I just wanted to give you a quick video. Yes, it's the same day as the last video, but who cares? I'm trying to make content, trying to put some out there for you guys. Today I just wanted to do a little comparison video of the side skirts. These, like I said, are the Maxton Designs side skirts, or if you look on their website, they're called side splitters. And if you notice, they're kind of flat, and they do have a flare up with the body here. They are a little thicker, and out of the box, they come ready to install. They do have a nice glossy finish. If you go back to some of my other shorts, you'll see how they look out of the box, and usually they have the Maxton Design logo right here, which is now missing on these since I painted them. They have been paint matched to give it a lower look, and if you do look in my yard, it is visibly lower than normal. If you go back to some of the older videos, you'll see I had these side skirts, which are the Extreme Online Store version 1 side skirts that I paint matched black because they came in a black primer before. They are relatively flat, but they do add a good look to the car as far as like a side splitter, if that's all you're doing. Sorry for the car going down the road. But I had to mount these. These are the first gen side skirts. I had to mount them backwards. That's why you've never seen my car with the mud flap part, which is this section here. Never installed this because it would not physically fit correctly. This is the correct side to go here, but as you can see, the wide part was up here the way I had it mounted, and the narrow part, which should have been the front, was in the back. And I tried to mount it, me and a C5 guy garage, we tried to mount them, and it physically would not curve to fit the car the correct way. But like I said, these were the first edition. I think me and Greasy Mongoose on Instagram had the first 2 production ones. There was one guy that had the prototype set, but these were the first production ones that come out. So I think they fixed those in version 2, which I actually have a set for C5 guy that I'm going to paint. I may give those out and do a little comparison real quick. Let me grab those. All right, so I'm back. I had to go get the correct side so we can do a good comparison. Now, as you can see, the one on the top is my original version 1 side skirt, and the bottom is the version 2 side skirt. And if you'll notice, on the new one that has the narrow end here, it's real narrow like it's supposed to be. And then this one is really wide up to the jack point, which is almost the exact opposite when you get down to the correct side. It's wider here and more narrow here, which is why it would only fit backwards on the first set. C5 guy held his up to his car. Of course, he got these after I got my Maxton design, so I couldn't fit for myself. But he says they fit correctly. And he does have this. I don't think there's any difference in these because it fits the body line of the car like it should. And then you just mount it like so, like the ZR1 it's supposed to. So hopefully they corrected the design, which it looks like they have, because the jacking points, as you can see, are kind of in a better location now than they were on the old one. But we're going to get these painted for C5 guy. I have the other ones. I got to go by and get his mud flat piece. We're going to get those put on. Sorry for kicking the camera. But I just want to do a quick comparison video on the side skirts. And as you see the kick up in the Maxton design just adds a little something extra to the side other than just being kind of flat. The ZR1 is a good upgrade if you want to go that route. But that brings us to the end of this video. Like I said, these are the old original style that had to be mounted backwards. If anybody's interested in those, let me know. I will we'll work out something if they want them, because I'll probably never run them back on since I have the Maxtons, and we're going to get these painted for CFAB Guy in the next week or so. I'll show you a video on getting those painted, and we'll install them. But that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.